Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another What's for Dinner. So as you know, we have been cleaning out the freezer and doing some meal prepping things. So this was incorporated partly into last week. So we had 4 sets of minces that were here, 2 packs made of lasagna, another one made a base for a shepherd's pie that's in the freezer. And then this one I just cooked on its own and then turned into a spaghetti bolognese because it was the easiest thing to do after I had been cooking all day. And so then it's here ready for us. I just added a little bit of cheese on top because cheese is good. Next, I have this meatloaf that I got from Foodland because it was marked down. My son didn't have that. He had the chicken nuggets with mash, but the rest of us had the meatloaf. My daughter isn't a fan of it. My hubby said it was fine. Of course, I made some gravy to go on top of it as well. The next night, we've just had chicken parmesanas. We got some chicken burgers that were cheap, so they were obviously in the freezer. I've just grabbed them out to try and have a quick and easy meal. I'm trying to remember to add the veggies on. And then the next night we've had chicken Kievs because I got them on cheap from Woolworths, and then the children have had a mixture of chicken nuggets and the triangles as well. My daughter and I had some cauliflower cheese that I found in the freezer as well. The next night we are having a potato bake with a chicken on the side. So I have all these packets in this container that have been in the pantry, and one by one I'm hoping to go through them all. This was going to be a separate video, but I'm just at that point and I'm just sharing everything that's happened in the week. So I sliced all the potatoes with the food processor I have. I was going to just do the side of the potato grater, but this was just easy, 2 seconds. Meant to have to wash the whole machine, but oh well. And then I have used up literally the last bit of cream that we had there and a little bit of milk, and then mixed all that through. I had some bulk chicken that I bought also at a really great price, so I chopped half of the chicken breasts in half into chunks. They'll go in the freezer for another meal. And then this other, I did the best to try and make some thin slices. I'm not the best chopper, but to make the Cheats chicken that you guys would have seen. So we did a mix of Parmesan cheese with panko breadcrumbs, and then that made a really nice crisp. I only do it on one side. There's a video on the channel if you want to check it out. Here is the potato bake that's finished, and then here it is all on the plate. Did manage to get the veggies in this time. I nearly forgot last time. I did have a little bit of leftover potato bake, and I was thinking of saving it to have for lunch the next day, but hubby decided to have it, so oh well, it's whoever gets in first. The next night we had fish and chips, and I don't know where the veggies are. They are gone. I got a side salad at least on my plate for fish and chips, and then the children just had some chicken parmesanas because they are not a fan of fish. And then in the freezer I found these chicken balls, so I'm going to cook those in the oven because there's less fatty that way and it cooks a little bit evenly. And then I made the chicken risotto base that we do, just didn't put any shredded chicken in, but put the chicken meatballs in there. My daughter said no, don't do that again, so okay, lesson learned. So I hope you've enjoyed What's for Dinner. It's a shorter video this week. We've had a pretty busy week, but still we've had a meal on the table each night. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.